Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Wagwan Island Tribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yeah man, welcome again guys. So I literally forgot the camera in the car, so
we've been here for a while.
Yeah, and we actually pick up a few stuff.
Yeah.
Island is being fussy.
Fussy? He wants the camera.
Yeah.
Say hi. Hi to everyone.
Coco.
Yeah.
Tell them what you want to say.
Tell them what you want to say. I'm going to get myself a toy. That's what you're going to do. Alright, give that to Daddy.
Alright guys, so yeah, we picked up a few stuff off camera. As I said, I forgot the camera in the car, so that's why we didn't start vlogging earlier. But yeah, so we're thinking of buying a few stuff guys. Like these are the games, archery set, and which other one? This portable tennis table, and actually like have a little competition, a little, you know, face off or whatever you want to call it, you know. So we picked up a few stuff here. You want to tell them what we have here, baby?
Okay, so we got a beach shade for the beach.
Yeah.
Because it gets very hot here.
Yeah.
Another little game that we thought we're gonna buy. I prefer the other one, but Babe likes this one, so it doesn't matter.
We'll choose anyway. Alright, let me hold that. Fine. Give me this. You just show them what you have.
And Bobo a bucket for the beach.
Yeah.
Bobo a toy, car toy.
Nice one.
And some pillows and some safety stuff for Bobo for
so
swimming.
Bobo can be safe when he goes to the, whether it be the lake, the river, the ocean.
Yep.
You'll be safe, you know?
You'll be safe.
Yeah.
Alright. And that's basically it, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're in Kmart.
Kmart.
Yeah.
Kmart.
Yeah.
So guys, yeah, we can't wait to get into the little games thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just thirsty. It's really hot today.
And we also did check out the bikes that they have, guys, because as we did say before, we wanted to get 2 bikes, you know, so we can go bike riding and things. So we did check out 2 of them that we already picked out that we like, you know, so we might go somewhere else to check out other bikes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big W.
Yeah, so at least we know, we have an idea of what we want already.
What we want. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what's up, guys. So yeah, Kmart, they have basically everything, you know. You get your fishing gears, you get your clothing, you get lots of stuff here, you know.
I think this would be fun too, babe.
Ah, yeah. There's so much games that we could play, like, and just make that into one whole video of just challenging each other.
Games.
That would be sick.
Real.
That would be epic.
Definitely.
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, no. I think we overload here, guys.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go then.
Yeah. We have everything, right?
Almost.
Okay, we can still look around.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Because Bobo.
Yeah. We want to show them the bikes that you...
That we picked?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Alright.
Go for it, babe.
So you have your stunt bikes and thing. You know, so... Babe actually says she like this one. Babe like this bike, you know. And I actually like this one, which is the same type, just different color. You know, so I actually like this one. So we're thinking of going matching, you know, with the same type of bike.
I want to ask them if they have them in stock.
Yeah, and we're also gonna need the
baby seat behind.
Yeah, for Island, so Island can ride with us. But they have some nice bikes here. Yeah.
Oh, okay, it says find me inbox. So find me inbox 663.
They have all the roller skates here. kids roller skateboard and hoverboard or whatever I want to call it.
So guys, another thing that we are getting is a hard drive because Babe's run out of storage on his hard drive.
Finally, after all the years of vlogging, finally full now.
Yeah, it's finally full. So now we've just got to get another drive and see what's happening. Fill that new one with stuff.
Yeah, 'cause my
Do you need underwear?
Huh?
Do you need underwear?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Do you need thongs?
No.
Slippers, they say.
I think I just need a roll on.
Oh yeah, we get that at Big W. Not here. That I don't think they sell. Oh no, they do sell roll on here actually. Yeah, guys. So we're just gonna see if they got hard drive.
You know what we're gonna also need then? A SD card for the drone. Because we don't want that. One.
Well, they're portable chargers. Doorbell. What's a camera?
What's that?
The cameras for outside the house or something, like cameras. What was the phone that you have? You could probably find a case here.
Oh, the 812 something like that.
Okay.
812. It would look something like this, right? Because it has this. It would look something like this.
Yeah, but they're all iPhone. Says iPhone on top. Oh, they're all iPhones, unfortunately. See, iPhones are the legit phones. No, you know what? I don't think they sell hard drives. I'll ask them. Hi, just a question. Do you sell hard drives? 1 terabyte's a fair bit of storage.
Yeah.
How much is that?
75.
75. Maybe we can go to Officeworks. You might be able to get a 2 terabyte, which is a bigger. Yeah.
We're out of stock of it.
Oh, really?
We've got a 500 gig as well. We're out of stock of that one.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have SD cards?
Yeah.
Oh, you do. Okay. I have a kit. A logging kit.
Ah. Yeah, that's nice. It has the tripod, it has the light. It even has a mic. It has a mic as well.
Wow. Interesting.
Yeah, that's sick. Vlogging kit, guys. Oh, this is the other tripod, babe. Like similar to like a Gorilla Pod.
Yeah.
Oh, it's smartphone flexi tripod.
Oh, so it fits my phone.
Yeah. Lots of YouTubers use them. But we need something to stick in the car. That's what we really need. Because the one that we have,
I'll show you over here.
it's not working properly. Oh, it's this one.
They're window mounts.
Oh,
Then there's the car vent phone holder mount. It's a magnetic one.
this one?
No, the one at the top here. But that's for phone. You want for GoPro.
Yeah,
The
true.
one that I bought is for GoPro. But
It's
a
not.
window.
It's not sticking well either. I don't know which should we choose.
Like a
guys.
bike mount.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, sexy legs there, guys.
Island boy, stop your attitude.
Look at these guitars. $25, really? Acoustic guitars.
Yeah, definitely gonna get him into music school and sports, definitely.
This one is for ladies only.
You vlog this section and tell them like what
I'll
you like.
vlog it when I do my channel.
Okay.
You keep going. I'm just having a look.
Yeah. It's not scanning.
Please wait for assistance. Please place item in the bagging area.
So this is what you call self cash out, guys.
Please wait.
No cashier, you know?
Unexpected.
So different from Jamaica, yo. So this is what everything come to, guys.
No, excuse me. iPhone is top quality. Oh my god.
You can even smell the doo-doo on it.
No. How much are they? I don't even know.
You know what's great on the iPhone 13?
What's that?
They moved the camera over.
Really?
Called it 13. Can you believe that?
iPhones are the best. Hang on, I'm just going to tell my YouTube subscribers, iPhone is the phone. Samsung, Tell us what phone you guys use.
Island boy. Hey, boo. Island. Smile.
I kept asking questions.
Chill, man. Bubble. Smile. Smile. Look at little Bubba, so relaxed. There he goes.
Yeah.
Bubba. Go on. Island boy. He's so relaxed.
I know, he's relaxed.
Think we're holding up traffic here. Island.
Holding up the traffic, Island.
Smile. Smile. Island boy. Here we go. Come in.
Oh, I was enjoying your music. Come on.
They turned it up now. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna put them here in the back and go to what? Big W?
W, yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're just having a chat with a guy a while ago. He was very interesting and pretty cool guy. You know, he has a phone shop basically. You know, and he also has a YouTube channel. He has over 50k subs, and yeah, he just opened my mind to a lot of things what he just said. So that's very interesting, you know.
He's got a yacht.
Yeah, he has a yacht.
So guys, we just had a little price out on the the hard drive. So now we are looking at projector, multimedia projector. Yeah.
Price is $149.
What do you reckon, babes?
You want to get it today or at another time?
I don't know. There's two different ones. There's this one, which is Echo, which is a good brand, and then there's Laser, which is, I don't know how much that is. I'm going to have a look at the price. Hang on. Yeah, guys, so I've always wanted a projector. I think they're really good for, you know, watching movies and stuff in your bedroom, so you don't have to have a screen, particularly a screen there. I just think that it's a good way of watching a movie. Anyway. Okay, so this one's $279. So this one's $279.
Okay.
Interesting. Which one's better? I don't know. This one plays discs as well. This one plays discs as well. It's a projector, a DVD projector. I don't know what to do. It's interesting. All right, let me have a little think about it. I think I might get it. I don't know. Should I get it? Shopping. It's crazy. Basketball, to play basketball. Don't kick it. You want soccer? Or you already got a soccer ball. Where is this soccer ball?
He has ball at home. That's ones at Kmart, what they call?
X-Fusion, I like them. X-Fusion, stop. Okay. I need that.
Yeah, that's what
All
we need.
that.
Yeah, either this guy's filing or this. We're gonna need helmet too.
These ones.
Oh, it's this. So these come like pulled up, right? You have to put them together.
Yeah, no, you have to put them together.
See that they don't have it?
Yeah, I'm trying to see the display on it.
Oh.
Oh, cute ones.
These are some good bikes, but they're quite expensive. $319.
You get this one?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna get this baby seat. Yeah. What's it called? Deluxe bicycle child seat. Yeah guys, so we get the little bike set up.
You're gonna ride with him, yeah?
Yeah.
Safety, Dad always rides.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Gonna get this one, guys.
Oh, 15, get 2. Size 4. 2 of them. Alright guys, baby's using the machine this time.
I have to put them right here on them.
Yeah.
What does it work?
You gotta scan. No, start. You gotta start. I've got it, yeah. Not there, no. Touch the other.
Where?
That one, touch to start, yeah? Yes. Go.
Okay. Plus me out of them thing I know.
Look at this, guys.
So, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use the yeah.
Can I use that same one?
The barcode. The barcode.
Where we find this one? Oh, down here.
You got it?
Yeah, it's
All right.
that's it.
That's it. Wow. How was that for your experience?
Yeah, good.
And you just pay now?
Self cash out. Yeah. Yeah, new thing since I've been here I discovered, you know. You don't have to wait on cashier, see it.
I know. It's cool, eh? I bet you in the US and Canada they have the same
Yeah, I
system.
bet they do.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. You know, if you talk to cashier, if you cashier your goods or anything.
That's right.
Highland, go. Pa 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 pa. Pa pa pa. You look so cool.
You like them?
Swagging, eh?
I think we should buy them for you.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I think so.
That's going to cover your eyes when you go to the beach. Mister? You got nice little glasses.
These ones are nice too.
But they're for girls.
Oh, girls want that.
Yeah. Oh, this is for like Neri's daughter.
Yeah, true.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This one
For
nice
boys.
for him.
Yeah.
Nice sunnies for him.
Alright, we'll get those ones?
Yep.
Alright, let's go. We'll get these ones for a little model.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Here.
That's the character.
Oi, oi.
That's the kind of lungs he has. But attitude, fix it up, my boy. I'm gonna train that.
Yep.
Guys, aren't these some ugly, scary looking people? Well, they're not people anyway.
People. Colts?
Oh my god. So what's this old building, this old mall called?
Lismore Square.
Lismore Square.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shoot, 0%.
Ooh.